Welcome to digital class, and now we're looking at this question, and this will be even a harder questions in level 3 for this rate of change. Now let's look at this question. Some students are folding paper cranes during a craft lesson. In 9 minutes, now this is the keyword, in 9 minutes, 5 students can fold 10 paper cranes. Wow, this will be a bit challenging because this actually involves quite a bit of things. 9 minutes, 5 students actually can fold 10 paper cranes. Now at this rate, the question now is asking, how long does it take? How long does it take? Means they're asking for now time for 3 students to fold 54 paper cranes altogether. Again, now they are asking for time, whereas the student is set, the paper cranes is set. Now, let's try to look at here first. If 9 minutes, 5 students can fold 10 paper cranes. So I can actually say that in 9 minutes, 1 student actually can fold how many? 2 paper cranes. Does it make sense? Because, I can just look at here, 5 students, 10. 1 students, 2. If I were to kind of look at it again, if 1 student can fold 2 paper cranes in 9 minutes, how about 1 minute? In 1 minute, 1 student actually can only fold 2 out of 9 of the paper crane. So I hope you get the idea is that what we do here affects here. And what the time means that the number of students affect the paper cranes that we can make. But the number of time or the time given here also affect the number of paper cranes that we can make. Now, if I want to have 3 students, I want to have 3 students, as you can see here, 3 students, then how many paper cranes we can make? If it's still, why is it so weird? Okay, now if it's still 1 minute, if I have 3 students, means now I can make what? 2 over 3 paper crane. Now, if this now, look at here, if this now change to become 54 paper crane, and this is still 3 students, then what will be the time here? That is basically what the question is asking. Now, 2 over 3 needs to times what to become 54? That is the key question, and that will be exactly the time that we have here. So whatever thing that we times here will become our answer here. So 2 over 3 times what become 54? Or in simple terms, we actually can say 54 divided by 2 over 3. What will it be? You actually have not learned divide fraction, so at this P5 level, so you can just press calculator, 54 divided by 2 over 3, and you should get the answer is 81. That basically means that we need 81 minutes in order for that 3 students to print 54 paper cranes. So the answer is 81. That's it, we are done. Now, if this question is difficult for you, is totally okay and is understandable, because this will be slightly challenging. It involves kind of many factors that affect the number of paper cranes that you can make. But of course, if you can get it, that's really good. But if you not yet get it, that's fine. When you're up to P6, perhaps when you look back at this question, then slowly you will know how to do it. Okay? So, and that's it for this question. If it's challenging, that's good, you learn something. If it's not challenging to you, that's good, as long as you can get to see a different perspective on a question, how it can be structured. Okay, and thank you. See you. Bye bye.